Hi Sunny community, welcome to your rowing workout for the day. Today we're going to be doing 15 minutes of rowing and mat work. So we're focusing on the core on the mat. So we'll be doing 5 minutes on the rower, which I know is not a lot of time, so we'll be definitely focusing on power strokes and an all out. Then we're on the floor for 5 minutes for some core work, and then we're back on for repeat the same thing, power stroke intervals and some all out work and a cool down. All right, so fast and quick, getting it in. Let's go ahead and grab those handlebars, meet me at the finish position. We're going to start with arms only in 3, 2, 1. Arms forward, arms back. Good. So we're gonna do our little pip drill here, right? Always want to get that body warm. Starting arms only, then going to body over, half stroke and full stroke, right? So let's go ahead and move to body over in 3, 2, and good, reach over. So we're only gonna spend a minute here warming up since we're only on the rower for 5 minutes. So fast and quick warm up. Let's go to half stroke in 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go. Halfway in, good. Halfway in, jump. Push. Good. We're gonna come all the way into full stroke in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. All 3 in. Good. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, team. Our warm-up has pretty much come to a conclusion. We're gonna go into some power strokes, right? So 3 minutes, we're gonna focus on some power stroke intervals. So we're gonna start with 10 power strokes, all right? 10 big ones, all right? We're going for power, not speed here. Moves us quicker through the water, believe it or not. Good, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. 10 power strokes, let's go. 2, good. 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, good, 7, 2, 8, 2, 2, and 10, good, ease it up, ease it up. So we're going to that pretty quick paddle pace here, right? So we are still at a paddle, but almost a push. I think 60, 70% intensity. Good, so kind of a light push. All right, let's go 10 power strokes, round 2. In 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. Yes. You hear your intensity. You feel it. Okay. Muscles are coming. Okay. 2 more. Last one. Good. Ease it up, ease it up. Good job, you guys. So we're just sticking with 10s. Nothing fancy here, right? Just set the time. Some little rest in between. Just follow me. I got you. Good, let's go for round 3. 10 big ones. In 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. Good. Good. Beautiful. Good. Every stroke stronger than before. 3 more. Good, ease it up. Nice job. All right, you guys. We're gonna try and get one more set in. Quick recovery. We have a minute all out, and then we're off this machine. All right. Last set of power strokes. Here we go. In 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. Let's go. Good. Last chance. Come on. Let's go. 2 more. I'm so proud of you guys. Good. All right, we're gonna go into 1 minute all out here. Right, so about 10 seconds recovery. It's not much, I know. But we're gonna be off this machine in a minute. Right, so I need 1 big minute, fast, hard, everything we got. Here we go, all out. 3, and 2, and 1. Let's go. Everything you got, right here. If you want to focus on power or speed, that's okay. If you want to bridge together, that's great too. Just a free-for-all, have fun. Form over everything else, so remember what you've learned. Legs, core, arms, core, legs. Shine. There it is. you're about halfway there. 30 seconds to go. Nice. 2, 2, 1, 2. Good, you should be out of breath. Your muscles are burning. Core is tight. Feel new age. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, ease it up. Go ahead, back those arms. Good job, you guys. All right. So, go ahead, get some water if you need it. We're gonna find a spot on the mat. We have 5 exercises, 30 seconds each, 2 rounds, right? So go ahead, lay it down. You just need a mat. You're gonna go into an X position with your arms and legs. We're gonna go right arm to left leg. In 3, 2, 1. Reach across. Reach across. Good. As much as you can. Keep your body in that X position. Nice. We're gonna switch legs at the 30-second mark. Coming up here in about 10 seconds. Good, all we're gonna do is switch sides. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get everything back down, just switch. Here we go, opposite side. Whichever one you didn't do. I'm going left to right. Good. Good, coming up after this, we have some snow angel sit-ups, I call them. All right, so just follow me. You're gonna have your heels on the ground, arms above your head. You're gonna come all the way around and reach for your heels. All right, so that's on tap here. 10 seconds. Good, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Heels on the ground, arms above your head. Reach those heels all the way up, all the way down. Up and down. Good, up and down. Up and down. Good, up. If you can't touch your ankles, that's okay. Touch whatever you can. Touch your shins, touch your knees, touch the outside of your legs, whatever works for you. Good. Listen to your body. We're ready for some dead bugs. So feet off the ground, keeping that 90-degree bend. In 3, 2, and 1. 90-degree bend. Good, I'm gonna straighten. I'm gonna straighten. Good. Opposite. Good, you're like a little struggling bug. Nice. The fittest bug there is. Good, up, and up, and up. Good. Reaching down my leg. Nice job, team. In 10 seconds, we go into our last new exercise, a Russian twist with a press. All right, so see, I'm gonna reach my arms out, making it a little bit different. Good, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, sit up, feet just above the ground. You're gonna reach, reach, press. Reach, reach, press. Good, so 1, 2, 3, press. So you're on the opposite side each time. 1, 2, 3, and press. Good, 1, 2, 3, press. 1, 2, 3, press. Good, just like that. We're going back to the beginning after this. Super close to you, hang in there. All right, we go back to that first exercise, those X crunches. We're gonna reach. Good, 10 seconds, hang on. Reach, 1, 2, 3, reach. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Put it back down, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's reach. Good, reach. Reach. Last set of this. Last set of everything, and we're back on the rower. Whew. Core is tight. Good. Keeping that leg straight, keeping that body in that X position. Arms straight, legs straight. And reach across. Good, get that core firing. Switching sides in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, switch sides. Good, reach. Reach. Next, reach. Okay. Do whatever you need to do to make sure you feel that core. If you want to put your hand on your abdominals to make sure that it's engaged, go for it. Otherwise, keep that arm behind you. We go into those snow angel sit-ups in 10 seconds. Last chance at these. Make them count. Good. Just a few reps. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Heels on the ground, all the way up and around. Up and down. Up and down. Good. Remember, if you can't touch your ankles, that's okay. You can touch your shins, you can touch your knees, you can touch your outside of your thighs. Even if you can just lift your hands up just a little bit off the ground, that counts too. 10 seconds, we go into those dead bugs. Head on. Good, inhale, exhale. Breathe through your nose. Good, dead bugs in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, dead bugs, reach down. Good, reach down, perfect. One more exercise after this, and we're back on the rower. Just like that. You made it. Yes. Good. So now your core is really engaged. So when you get back on the rower, I want you to really use that. All right, use your core. Core should be firing the whole time. Good. All right, let's go into those Russian twists in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, go ahead, sit it up. Twist, 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 press. Twist, 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 press. Good. Last one. Good. 1, 2, 3, extend. 1, 2, 3, extend. If you need to, go ahead and put those heels on the ground. That's totally fine. Listen to your body, especially if your lower back's firing. Good. 2, 3, press. You can also cross them if needed. 1, 2, 3, press. 1, 2, 3, press. If you want a little more of a challenge, straighten those legs out. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Yeah. All right, you guys. We're back on the rower. So put yourself on up. Go ahead and get a sip of water. All right. Inhale, exhale. We're gonna get right back to it. All right. So same idea here. We're gonna go right into those power strokes for 3 minutes. 1 minute all out, 1 minute cool down. Right. So we don't really have a warm up here. All right. We're just gonna take a few easy strokes. All right. Paddle to push pace. Just get your stroke back. And we're gonna get into those power strokes. All right. Here we go. Power strokes in 3, in 2, and in 1. Here we go. 10 power strokes. Same thing. I don't want anything fancy today. Keep it simple. Simple and effective. Good. 5 more. Good. It's a mental challenge, right? To keep doing the same thing over and over again. 1 more. Good. Ease it up. Ease it up. Good. So what can you change? How can you make it more challenging for yourself, knowing that you're just consistently going through those 10 power strokes? All right, you really got to push here. Good. Here we go. Round 2 in 3, in 2, and 1. Here we go. Push. Nice. Push. Good. This is number 5. Half leg. 5 more. Come on. Good. 4. Nice. 3. 2 more. Last one. Good. Ease it up. Ease it up. Good. Nice. Good. Light push pace here. Heavy paddle somewhere in between there. 60, 70% maybe. Good. You don't want to over recover. Here we go. Round 3. In 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Good. Come on. 5 big ones. Yes. That angry face. Good. That workout face. 2. 1 more. Good. Nice and easy. Not much of an angry face person, but I try. Good. Okay, you guys. Here we go. Back at it, all right? Let's recover. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Good. Yes. Push those toes down. Use that core. Good. Squeeze those glutes. Give me 5 big ones. Good. And good. Use it up. All right. Good job, you guys. Let's sneak 1 more set in, and then we'll do our minute all out. And then we cool down. That's it. All right. Last set. 3, 2. Here we go. Good. Come on. 5 more. Let's go. you guys. 1 minute all out, and then we cool down. All right, so I'm kind of teasing you here, so I'm not giving you much recovery. All right, just a few strokes, 1 minute all out. I want you still tired. I want you still breathing hard going into this. All right, you gotta work when you're a little exhausted. Here we go. Last minute hard. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Everything you got. Good. Quick, powerful, everything. Leave it here. I don't want you to feel like you need more when you're done here. Come on. Leave it on the rower. Is your core engaged? Are your glutes engaged? Are you sitting tall, proud chest? Good. Push those legs. Push, pull. Push, pull. Good. Guys, we just have 30 seconds. 30 seconds, team. Come on, Sunny family. Woo! Learn something about yourself. Last 10 seconds. What are you going to do with it? Let's go. Good. We can down in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Nice and easy, you guys. Good job. Nice work. Quick and effective. I love it. All right, we're going to go into that half stroke. Okay, let that pressure off. Half stroke. In 3, 2, and 1. Good. This is our reverse pick drill. Reverse pick drill. Get halfway in. Good. Got strength in your upper body still. Good. Legs straight. 3, 2, and 1. Legs straight. Good. Body over. Feel those hamstrings stretch. Get that lower back release. Good. Beautiful. Good. We do arms only to finish up. In 3. In 2. In 1. Nice proud chest. Good. Nice. Good posture. Core's in tight. We're going to wrap that handlebar in 3, 2, and 1. We made it. Good job today, you guys. So proud of you, right? It's a little interval training. It was quick. We were working hard the entire time. Now you're done. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.